Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites so setup runs smoothly. Open Master Wi-Fi and grant the requested permissions. This lets the app scan and configure networks. Connect your phone to the router's Wi-Fi and enter admin credentials when prompted, because the app needs router access to apply settings. Once done, disable any VPN or proxy and keep the phone nearby. Make sure battery is above half to avoid interruptions, and pause automatic system updates until configuration completes. After connecting, run the app scan to detect your router and SSID. Choose the correct network to avoid configuring the wrong device. You'll pick security type, prefer WPA3 or WPA2 for compatibility, and enter a strong password of at least 12 characters. Next, rename SSID if desired and enable a guest network with bandwidth limits for visitors. If you need fixed addresses, set DHCP reservations or static IPs. Once these changes are applied, verify device lists and access rules in the app. Finish by applying all settings and using the app's reboot command so changes take effect cleanly. Reconnect your devices to the updated SSID and run the app speed and connectivity checks to confirm internet access. If a device won't join, forget the network on that device and re-enter credentials. If the router becomes unreachable, perform a soft reset in app. For persistent failures, power cycle the router or factory reset and retry setup. Key tip: double-check admin username/password and disable VPNs during recovery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.